mustard seeds, oregano leaves, fennel seeds, rosemary leaves, cumin seeds. These are the ingredients. Onions, curry leaves, garlic, ginger, yogurt. I'm going to blend all of these. I'm going to blend it and making it into a paste. I'm making it into a paste to marinate my lamb. I'm adding it the yogurt now. I'm adding in the yogurt. Here we go, blending it. This is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks once it's blended. Adding it some salt, some MSG flavoring, adding in the ginger powder. This is the pepper, turmeric, and continue the blending. Blend till it's smooth. Okay, it's smooth. It turned out to be like a paste. Okay, now I'm adding it some spices and and eventually some curry powder. Mixing it. Now I'm going to add in the curry leaves. It gives a better aroma for the meat, and of course the taste as well. Now I'm adding in all the seeds, all the herbs, the seeds. Mix it well. Now I'm taking the lamb. I have 3 pieces. I'm taking the lamb and I need to just mix it, give it a nice massage. Yeah, give it a nice massage so that the spices, the paste, sticks to the meat. Yeah, okay. I'm mixing it, giving it a nice massage. Okay, once I'm done, I'm just leaving it for 3 hours. I'll just marinate it for 3 hours. Bye. Once it's done, I'm just packing it into a small packets. Okay, small packets, and I'm gonna vacuum seal it. Okay, so there you see. This is how it looks. I'm going to freeze it in the freezer. This is how it looks. Okay, it's frozen. Okay, I'll just soak it in water first. Now there I have my banana leaves and my aluminum foil. I'll just pour the content on the banana leaves. Okay, just pour it in. I'll spread the lamb evenly. Okay, I'll just spread it evenly so that it cooks better. Okay, so I just have to fold it. Remember my banana leaves and the aluminum foil. Okay, and then it's done. Okay, after this it goes into the oven. I have preheat my oven, so now it's ready to go in. Okay, it's ready to go in. Okay, let's wait. After 30 minutes, I'm just flipping it over. So it cooks evenly. Okay, flipping it over. Okay, so now another 30 minutes to go. Jajan! Now it's done. It's 1 hour. It's 1 hour. So let's see how it's turned out to be. Okay, let's open it. Okay, opening it slowly. The aroma with all the spices and the curry leaves, it's really yummy. It's nice, really nice, and the banana leaves gives it an extra yes, extra Okay, as you can see, the meat is soft. I'm trying to cut it, and okay, of course it's hot. I'll try to just taste it, and okay, it's really soft. It's really soft, and this is my first time trying marinated lamb. Okay, so good luck in trying. Bye.